What's poppin', fam goons? Welcome back to my channel for another video. I'm looking rough, boy. I'm about to go hop in the shower. Lately, I know I be making excuses all the time while I be posting and junk, but you know, lately I've been feeling like I'm in a rut, and that's like not even a big deal. That be happening all the time, but it's like stopping my creative process of making videos. So it's hard for me to stay in one spot and make a video right now. So we gonna vlog, you know? I'm gonna make videos, I'm still gonna be editing, I'm still gonna be posting, so hope you guys enjoy. Get ready with me. I'm about to go hop in the shower and let's do this. Alright guys, so I pretty much just got out of the shower. I'm about to get dressed. I got 3 errands, well, kind of like 2 errands to run, and then the third place we're gonna end up is at my brother's crib because we're making a podcast today. And yeah, you guys can be behind the scenes with me and see what's popping. Alright guys, so you already know, Dickie gang till we die. I'm wearing my blue Dickies today. Next piece for the top, I'm wearing my green Dickies long sleeve. You already know, olive green. Love this color. A lot of people don't be wearing olive green, but when they do, it always hits. Alright, got the top on. Usually, I put on deodorant before I put on the top, but I'm making a video and I forgot. So, we got this, you already know, Old Spice, what's this called? Deep Sea. Won't be getting the gel kind, because it'll be breaking me out and junk. Put some of that on so you know we smelling good. Get that Hugo Boss cologne, you already know. What's this called? Hugo Boss Unlimited. I'm gonna be real. Everybody be coming in my room and be using my spray, so I don't even know if there's any in here. I got some, oh, there's the top. Okay, well, that's a goner. Pretty much, I'm wearing a hoodie, but it's still in the dryer. I know it's gonna be chilly tonight. It's kind of cool right now, but usually after the sun goes down, it gets into like 40s, so I'm gonna wear a hoodie. But the true and hard decision is, do I wear my Van socks, my flaming Van socks, or do I wear the OG white Dickies? Decisions. Alright guys, so pretty much I picked the Dickie socks, you know what I'm saying, plain Jane, those shoes. If you see my socks, it just looks like I'm wearing yellow socks. So I usually wear those socks with shorts. But anyways, the hard decision that I'm gonna have to make right now is the white Vans with the lightning bolt. I think I just got dirt in my eye from the bottom of them. My green free runs, which these are probably what I'm gonna wear because comfortability, you know what I'm saying. Or what I wore yesterday was my slip-on, my samurai Van slip-ons. These are probably one of my favorite shoes. I never really be wearing them. The thing with my shoes too is they're pretty much all dirty. The only ones I keep clean are like my Air Forces. My Air Forces are clean, and those are pretty much the only shoes that I have that are like, I don't know, that, you know, if you got dirty Air Forces, I mean, come on, bro. Don't be that guy. I'm going with the free runs, you know, comfortability and all. Alright guys, I have 2 hoodies here. The OG Thrasher. I mean, if anybody knows me, they know this is like my favorite hoodie. I love this hoodie. But then again, I'm not trying to wear like just a ton of green, you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to be doing that. But then this jacket I feel like I wear a lot also, which is the Primitive. It's Primitive with the Terminator collab. It's got the T800 on the back. I never actually got to show you guys this. I talked about it in like one of my videos about that I was getting it, but I never did the unboxing for it because I was like, I don't know, I didn't feel like making a video, and then I really felt like I wanted to wear this anyway, so I unboxed it and wore it without giving an unboxing. But yeah, so it's a decision between this and this. I think I'm gonna go with this only because I'm gonna wear this hat also, so I'm not literally trying to wear like green on green on green on green. So we're gonna try and mix it up a little bit. Long sleeve on long sleeve, I hate it. I'm not gonna lie, that shit's uncomfortable. I don't know how I did it, but I made it happen. I don't even be drying my clothes, but this jacket, every time I be drying this thing, like, usually I be hanging my clothes up, but I use like tumble dry, so nothing shrinks and stuff, you know what I'm saying? And, bro, this thing still feels like it be shrinking on me. But anyways, so, here's the hoodie, you know what I'm saying? Another thing with this hoodie too though, it's kind of annoying because at the bottom it's like really tight, so I just be bringing up the shirt that's under my jacket, which is kind of annoying, so I be trying to pull it up a little bit to avoid all that, you know what I'm saying, trying to be comfortable. So yep, there's the hoodie, you know what I'm saying, gray. I really like the gray on the blue too with the green, you know what I'm saying. All right guys, so the last piece of my fit is my trucker hat, you know what I'm saying, green. It's got alligator on the front because we from Florida, you know what I'm saying. And it's a trucker hat. I'm really like, I'm trying not to curse, I'm gonna be real, so I'm trying not to curse, but I wanna say I'm really effing with this hat because, you know, it's a trucker hat. Not only is trucker hats kind of in style, I really like the padding on the brim of the hat. I really like that, so. Try and get all my hair in here, put my hat on. Let me see in the mirror. Yeah, I got my hair out on the side. I hate that, but it is what it is. So, like I said, I got 2 places to run to. Then we're gonna end up at my brother's house making a podcast. So, slide with me. Let's do this. All right, we head now. I gotta get my dog real quick. I'm gonna actually leave him out today. I'm not gonna stick him in his cage. He is somewhere around here. Russell, come on, boy. He's either over there. He might actually already be in. Oh, there he is, coming like he's crazy. What's up, buddy? Come on, go inside. All right, buddy. I'm leaving you here. Be good. Don't tear up any of my stuff. You understand? And I'm gonna leave a good movie on for you too. So relax, go to sleep, enjoy my bed, enjoy all my pillows, and I will be back. I hope you're listening to me because it doesn't look like you are. I will be back. Let's get out of here. Oh shit. All right, guys, made a quick pit stop at the corner store. Gonna run in here and grab a few things, then we back on the road. All right, guys, so pretty much we sliding. I ain't getting nothing because this store, every time I come here, bro, it says back in a few minutes, bro. Y'all like to waste people's time at this store, huh? This kangaroo or whatever this is called, I ain't never even heard of this shit anywhere else besides by my house. Y'all like to play with people. So we back on the road, going to another corner store. All right, guys, so we pulled up to another corner store. They're open. You already know they're open. These are my boys. We in here. Let's go get our stuff. I mean, you already know what we coming for right here, man. Everybody knows about this. Well, everybody knows about Arizona. I don't know if they know about this one. This one's fire. All right, guys, so I ended up getting, you already know, got the Arizona. That's a must, bro. If y'all ain't had this, man, this is fire. I got some Leafs. I usually don't smoke Swishers, but I had these the other day and they were fire. I think it's like a 3-pack, $1.79. Cop those. And then I couldn't use my card unless it was over $4 because you know how they begin you at these corner stores. So I got me 3 little Slim Jims, you know what I'm saying, for a snack for later. Now we back on the road. All right, guys, just got to my boy's apartment. We're gonna probably roll one. We're gonna go to my brother's crib and do a podcast tonight.
I was looking up some shit for my mom because my mom wanted to know something about some of the cast members, and I was looking up like a newsfeed article, and it was talking about some the creator
Taking him, or what was it? Yeah, he wants him to end up being like promoting him to that spot, and no, because Polly's already made. He already is. All right, guys. So pretty much we're at my brother's crib right now because I just hung out with my boy. I didn't bring him with me. He had other stuff to do. And I might be over here late, like I said, making this podcast. So we ended up just chilling there for a little bit, but we are in my brother's crib right now. So let's head inside and say what's up to everybody. Oh, hey, Jazzy. Hey, Audie. No, what are you throwing in the sink, man? Okay. Hello, everybody. I'm sorry I'm late. This is my brother and the beautiful Vicky.
You ready to get that job?
Mm-hmm. I'm ready. Well, I'm gonna bust my ass to make some money so I can buy a good camera.
A few moments later.
Man, I look tired as hell. Because I am tired as hell. I'm out. I didn't show them any of the behind the scenes of our podcast. Because we didn't make one today. I gotta fix my damn hat. Did I turn that shit off? For real. I love you, dude. Hit me up. I'll hit you up in the morning. I will. Peace out, brother. Now that we back in my truck, time for those Slim Jims we got earlier. Or at least one of them. I might save the other one for my dog. Kinda tastes good, but you know it's not good for you. But kinda fire. Anyways, we heading home. Peace out. Alright guys, we are back home. If you guys have made it this far, you are the real ones. You already know. I don't want to just start making vlogs or anything like that. I'm still going to be doing unboxings, but I definitely want to start doing vlogs too. You know what I'm saying? Because just making stuff and editing and stuff like that always makes me feel like really good. So I'm gonna try and edit and make some videos and stuff, even if it's not unboxings, because I'm trying to still like keep up with this channel. So if you guys are still here, you're the real ones. I'm still gonna be making videos. I'm making more videos. I'm gonna order some stuff, so I got unboxings for y'all. But yeah, keep it 100 in the streets. Call me what you want, but baby, just don't call the cops. Peace. Oh, where's the camera?